Hey guys, my name is Anup. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install WordPress and how to set up at the first time. So first of all, we need two softwares. One is the XAMPP. I have given the link how to install in Mac and Windows in the description of the video. And one of the browser you need, either you can use Chrome as I am using, or you can use Safari and any other browser, whatever you like. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open your XAMPP and you have to make sure you are running MySQL database and Apache. Then you have to go on the wordpress.org and download the latest version of the WordPress. So once you will click on the get WordPress, you will get a download link, or I have given the link of the WordPress latest version in the below link so you can download. So once you will click, it will start downloading, and after a few minutes it will be downloaded. So next, what you have to do, you have to open your directory. That will be the same for the Windows as well. So you have to go in XAMPP folder and you will get htdocs. If for Windows users, it will be you will get this link. For Windows users, you will get this link in C XAMPP htdocs. So in htdocs, what you have to do, you have to make a folder. You have to right click, you have to make a new folder and just give a name like WordPress or WP. Then what you have to do, you have to go in download directory, whatever the setup you have downloaded, like this I have downloaded, you show in folder and you have to unzip these files. Once you will unzip, you will get this type of files. So you have to copy all the files, control A copy, and you have to go on the same location. The location was application, XAMPP, and htdocs and WP. In this folder you have to paste all the files. So I'm just pasting over here. So make sure whatever the file you have copied, there will be WP admin, WP content and WP include on all the external files. So what you have to navigate up to the htdocs, it recognized by localhost slash, then the name of the folder, like name of the folder is WP, and once you press enter, the file will be directed. So it asking your five things: database name, database username, database password, and database host, table prefix. So what they are, the database name, whatever your database name. So how to make a new database, you have to go localhost slash phpMyAdmin and then press enter. Then you will get a local database. It is the part of your this software. So you are running XAMPP, so it is a part of XAMPP. So once you have installed the XAMPP, you will get this, otherwise. So you have to click over here database, then you have to create a database, right? WP, and press on create. So your database will be created. You have to do only this thing, means you have to first come on localhost phpMyAdmin, then click on database, then you have to write any random name, like I'm writing just WP. Try to give the same name as your website folder name, so it will be easy for you to recognize the database, which database you are using for which directory. So then go back and all are done, then press let's go. The database you have just created name with WP. Username will be always be same, root, password always will be blank. Keep it localhost because we are using localhost, and the WP. You can give any random name, but just let it be as like, then press on submit. In Mac, you will get a problem like you have to authorize your system. Like in Windows, you wouldn't get this error. So right now there is security problem over here. So you have to authorize this htdocs and this WP folder to be writable. So you have to open this same folder in command prompt. So I'm just opening terminal. So the very easy shortcut is to what you have to do, like I have done. You have to open your terminal, then you just simply drag it and drop over the terminal. It will give the location, then remove your folder name, and then what you have to do, you have to do cd and folder name. Then you have to press a command chmod 777 and your folder name, like I'm using wp. And then you have to press like a sudo is the super user do, because you are pressing some authorized things, so you have to press sudo, then press enter. It will ask for the password, or you have just submitted a password within 5 minutes, so it wouldn't ask, like in this it's not asking. And once you will go again and run the installation, so it will ask you few things like site title, so give any name like site title. It is the username, just press admin at the at 123. If you are doing local installation, keep all the username and password same, admin and admin and at the rate 123. It will be easy for you to remember. Confirm weak password. If you will not press confirm weak password, this button will be disabled. So you have to press confirm weak password, your email, whatever any email you can give. Like I'm just giving my normal email address, and you can discourage the search engine for indexing this way. This means like if Google is coming to index your website or crawl your website, so whenever some user search, they can easily detect you. Like I'm just searching top, like the best software development company in Delhi. So I'm getting the result, like this is the result, is our result, and this is the result. So Google crawled this website first, they indexed it and they saved in their own hard disks. And when you are like you are searching from this, so it is giving the result. So if you press this option, Google wouldn't able to crawl your website. So it is okay, like it is good if you are doing this installation on real website and you don't want Google crawl your dummy content. So you discourage, and you can change it once you will complete your website, so you can discourage it so Google can crawl your website and index it. We will later on cover this topic. So we have to press site title. We have pasted the same name as site title because it will reflect in our website, so we can easily identify where it would get. This username and password is important because it will helpful for you to get login and customize the changes. Then you have to press install WordPress. Now we have done the installation, and the database you have created, the WP, once you will click on it, you will get there is 12 tables already into it. So in the installation, what it do, it import all the necessary tables into it. So you have to log in. We have kept the username admin and the password admin at the rate 123, and you have to log in. So we logged in, and we can do sign out. Now you can, how you have to navigate your website, you have to press localhost/wp, the name of the folder in the htdocs. If you have remember, we have made a folder htdocs and we have pasted all the files over here. So once like the website will press, so it will give you a default design. We can change anyways the name, and we have entered a name site title, so it is coming here. Like you are writing anything, it would be here. Now you have to change these things, so you don't need to go in code. You have a URL, what is wp admin. Like if your folder name is website.com, then you have to press like this wp admin, means whatever the URL of your website, you after that you have to press this URL wp admin and then press enter, and you will press admin and the password admin at the rate 123. Then you have to click on login. Then you logged in and you can customize your website. So in the next video we will learn how to customize the few things, and what is the interface, which setting will be where. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.